In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password on your laptop or computer. This method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open the Start menu on your PC and click on the Settings icon on the left-hand side. Next, go to Accounts and then scroll down to select Sign-in options. Here you should see an option called Password. Click on it, and you'll be able to change your password directly from this window. However, if you don't see the password option, like on my computer, go back to the previous window, then scroll down to your info and click on it. Next, scroll down to Account Settings and choose Sign in with a local account instead. Click Skip this step if prompted, and follow the instructions to set up a local account. Once you've completed that, return to Accounts from the left-hand side. Scroll back to Sign in options, and you should now see the password option available. Click Change, and you can now set a new password for your computer.